All right. It's not much. Change a base formula. What? No, I actually don't. However, Miss Daniel is phenomenal at using Excel. And last year, she offered to come in and explain it one day when she knew ahead of time. So, if you need it, I could have her. Yes, I could have her come in and explain it to you. Also, my fiance had to do it a lot for engineering, so he might be able to explain it to me, and then I could explain it to you, but I'd really have to know exactly what you need, because Excel is not my forte. I took a class in Excel, still don't know how to use it. Passed the class, still don't know how to use it. All right. For positive real numbers, A, B, and X, with A not equal to 1 and B not equal to 1. Okay, you might want two colors here that are like pretty different from each other. It's just literally for like one thing because that'll help you see it better. All right, we have log base B of X is equal to log base A of X. Oops, I need to switch colors. See, I knew I was going to do that. Log base A of B. Okay, so this is how to change the base if it's, basically A is the new base that you want. So if it tells you what number that you want the base in, you can use that. It may not always tell you. If it doesn't tell you, you're going to use the common log. Okay? Nice. If it doesn't tell you which base to use base 10. Okay? If you're going to do a prank, do not let it leak that you're going to do one. Will not end well. Oh yeah, I wouldn't care. I think it's hilarious. I have a very good memory. I remember the most random things, but I have a very good memory. They still might get mad at you, but I wouldn't get mad at you. Yeah, and the whole school is gonna come. They're gonna be like, "There's a prank in Miss Earhart's room," or by then it'll be a different name. But yeah, be like, "There's a prank in her room," and then Mr. Law will find out, and then it'll just not end well. They're not going to punish the whole class, most likely, but that's what you think. But my whole class, but me, got demerits one time, so. Well, it's also a lot harder to pull a prank now because there's lots of security at this school. And lots more going up soon. So, yeah. Yeah, they've already put some up. There's more going to go up relatively soon, though. Not in this room, but I'm not going to tell where they're going to be. There's already some up. Yeah, because that just keeps getting broken into for some reason. Not yet, but there will be at some point in this building. Yeah. Yeah, that's legal. Alright, 24. Log base 5 of 19. Okay, so these say use the change of base formula and your calculator to evaluate the logarithm. So, obviously, in this case, it doesn't tell us which base we need to use, so we're going to use base 10. So it will literally just be log of 19 over log of 5. And then you can type that in your calculator and get a nice decimal answer and tell me what it is. That will be unfortunate for this section then. It'll last for another week, at least. Maybe not. You have log of 19 over log of 5.
Yeah, I got 1.83.
It should be 1.83. You used the common log, right? Huh? You shouldn't have needed it, but oh, yeah, then it would have, that would do it. Because it would think you're taking the log of 19 log 5 if you do that. Usually it gives you at least a week's warning. Take the back off and spin the take like one of the batteries out and like flip it, like flip 2 of the batteries. It'll probably work for a couple more days. All right. 26. Log base 12 of 259. How do I set this one up? Log of 259 over log of 12. That's unfortunate. What is it? $2.24. Okay, we good with this change of base stuff? Alright, the next problems say to write the expression using only natural logarithms. What does that mean we're using? Nope, that's natural. ln, okay. Natural log is ln. So these ones are with the natural log. So that is ln. Okay, so 30 is log base 7 of x. So how would I rewrite that then? No, I said write it with natural logs. ln x over ln of 7. Okay, these ones just say to rewrite them. You can't solve them because they have a variable in them. And then, let's see, 32, log base 5 of c minus d. How do I rewrite this one? Hello. Okay. Yes, I do. Yes, I can. Bye. Alright, how do I set this one up with natural logs? ln of c minus d over ln of 5. That looks like an e. Alright, and then the last one said write the expression using only common logs, meaning I'm using what? What's common log? Yeah, just regular log, okay, but just remember this is log base 10 technically, but we just write it as log. Okay, so log base 4 of x. So what is this one? Nope, this one's common log. Log x over log 4. And then the last one, log base 1/3 of x minus y. Log of x minus y over log of 1/3. All right. Do we understand this? Easy enough? All right. Then we will add on to the, obviously we had 1 through 21 every other odd the other day, or yesterday is what we wrote down. So let's see, now let's add on we'll just go 23 through, hold on, 27. Every other odd. Okay, and if you need more practice, obviously you can do every odd, but y'all seem to get this. I don't really feel like you need to do a surplus of problems.